since we got a little bit of time, I don't know if you can see it in the back.
Nimbus. There it is.
We finally got our Ultimaker S5 in.
Yeah, it came in yesterday. There it is. There's a big box. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to live unbox it. Yeah, why not? It might go terribly wrong, like the battery thing, but hey, it's fine. We'll do it for you. So one of the cool things about this box is that...
Is it in focus? Oh, do you want to like angle the camera
Yeah, sure,
down?
let's do that.
Oh, camera is in the way of the camera.
What about that?
Probably gonna have to hand hold it if it's long enough.
Yeah.
All right, so I did watch the video on how to actually unbox this. Because it's so big, it has you remove these clamps on the bottom, and you have to like lift this out of the way. So let's see if I can do this live without messing this up.
Okay, those are little plastic joiners that kind of keep the box together. They do not want you to cut the tape and kind of pull it out. I guess that could damage the printer or the box or something. So now he's going to pull it up.
All right, ready, guys?
We're ready. Go.
Oh, hey,
Wow.
it looks like an Ultimaker 3, but scaled up. Cool.
Yeah, it looks great, man. Look at this. Excellent.
Should we do this live tube printing on the table? Let's see if it actually fits on our shelf.
Don't you need two people to... No? Think you got it?
Oh, yeah, let's...
All right, please don't drop it.
Let's see. Oh my god, this thing is freaking heavy. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to do this.
Sorry, it's shaky hand. It's just, I'm right above the AC vent.
I can't lift it. We're gonna have to do this after the show.